Hey team, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be using an x86 assembly language emulator. Go type in this into the search pattern, click Google search, then notice right away you see this assembly x86. Go ahead and click on that. And this is the app that we're going to be using all through this video. The goal of this video is to loop over an array of bytes and produce the sum of its values. Now we're inside of an emulator here, so we have to do things just a little bit different. The name of the variable will be called info, and notice I came down here to array bytes and I gave the values 1, 5, and 7, and then I just click add. The variable info of type byte is now available to our program. On lines 4 through 7, let's initialize the 8-bit registers AL through DL. I press the reset button that reset my pointer, and I'm going to hit step, and notice step, step, step. Notice each 8-bit register has been initialized. Now I have loop start, and notice on line 20, jump not equal. I will be coming back up to loop start. Stay inside of this loop until I consume all of our numbers. Info is the name of our variable, and BL, notice I initialized it to 0. So brackets around this actually gets me that first value 1. In just a moment, when we step off this line, the ECX register, last byte, will be set to the value 1. Let's do that. And you can see that it went to 1. And now what we're going to do is we're going to add to the AL register CL. So remember, CL is that value we just got. So now AL will get that value. And now notice it is 1. And then I'm going to add 1 to BL. Remember, BL is my indexer. Now I'm going to compare that indexer with 3. Does 1 equal 3? Nope. So guess what it does? It comes and sets the 0 flag, and the 0 flag is 0. So notice that I'm going to come back up here to line 9 and go to the next statement. Then I'm going to come and get the next number. Notice 5. You can see the number 5 here. Then I'm going to add 5 to what's already in AL, which is 1. We can see that here. So after I do this command, you should see EAX go to 6. That's exactly what it did. We're going to increment our indexer. I'm going to compare it to see if I get out of here. Nope. Do it again. Now we're on 7. So 7 will be moved to CL. You can see that here. And now we're going to add 7 to what's in AL. Notice that's a 6. So here are the numbers. 157. 157 is 13 in decimal, but that's D in hex. Over here is displayed in hex. This value should go to D. Let's see what happens. So AL is now D. I'm going to increment my indexer. I'm going to compare my indexer and say, hey, are you done yet? And yes, there's none now. Look at D. D is at 3. BL is at 3. They're equal. The jump fails. We're done. Notice EAX has my sum. That's all there is to this program. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. Look forward to seeing you back in my next video. Take care.